Well, this is the update video on my Steambow Stinger crossbow that I ordered last spring from the European store, since I didn't know a US store was going to be opening a couple of weeks later. I would have just waited, and so here's an update on my Tale of Woe. Still waiting for the bottom piece of my Steambow Stinger after originally getting one last summer and having it break on me during the actual test review video. I still haven't been able to complete the test review video now as of over a year later, due to still not having a complete Stinger. I've got the metal magazine and some of the parts that I didn't need to send back over to Europe, but I'm also out some money on shipping for returning it, and haven't heard anything about being reimbursed for that, so that's interesting. Here's my GoGun order from May 6th of last year. Yeah, even with the whole world going to shit and the pandemic stuff, this is a little long to wait to get a working crossbow from from GoGun here. Can't say I'm too impressed with the customer service so far. Starting 174 days ago, I started communicating with the company at GoGun, and so far the last message I received was back in April, saying that they had a part that was on back order and they were going to ship it out to me in about a week, and I'd get a notification with a shipping number and all that, but that hasn't happened yet. It would kind of be nice to get my money back for the shipping back there of the broken bottom part of the Stinger too, but I don't know if that's ever going to happen either. They said they had to wait for the lower part of the Stinger to come in, and that was 91 days ago. I emailed them again earlier this week and have heard absolutely nothing back, so this is frustrating as fuck, to put it mildly. Still no complete Steambow Stinger that I can test and review, and the first one I tried broke. So I'm just gonna have to say that so far not impressed with the Steambow Stinger, and can't say I recommend it. I haven't had experience ordering from the USA store, but yikes. This is pretty ridiculous.